All right, they want us to find the zeros of this polynomial function. And this one here is not factored. So we have to factor it first. Okay, so if you're not familiar with factoring a trinomial, you probably want to go and review that first. But I'm going to go ahead and do it here. First step in factoring is putting them in order. Descending order of exponents, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to take out the greatest common factor, which in this case is an x. And I'll be left with x squared minus 40x plus 400. And then to complete the factoring of this inside the parentheses, I see that this is an easy 1. Starts with the number 1. So you can look up easy 1 factoring method in my videos. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us two binomials, x and x. They're both going to be the same. They're both going to be minus. So minus and minus. And then I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 400 and add to give me 40. Okay, and that's going to be 20 and 20. Now, let's find the zeros. Well, if any one of these three factors is 0, the whole thing's 0. 0 times anything is 0. So we're going to say x equals 0. X minus 20 equals 0, and x minus 20 equals 0. All right, x equals 0 is already solved for, so that's one of my zeros. I'll solve this one here to get that x by itself. X will be 20, and then if you solve this one, it's the same thing. X equals 20. Okay, so here are my zeros. 0, 20, and 20. Now I don't need to put 20 twice. I only need to put it once. Okay, but the multiplicity of this is going to be 2. See, this happens 2 times, and this one here only happens once. So the first question is going to say, what are the zeros? And you're going to tell them the zeros of this polynomial function are 0 and 20. The multiplicity of the smaller one is going to be 1. Multiplicity. Multiplicity of the smaller one is 1. And the multiplicity of the larger one is 2. All right, and if it asks you the behavior, well, at 0, it's going to cross through the x-axis, and at 20, it's going to touch it and turn around. It's going to bounce